Okay, guys. Well, I got that one decent. I'm not done with it yet. There's still some in there. But I want to get started on this third inside here. Like, gnarly. So, we're going to start getting this cleaned up too. And then I'll get to that tube. And then I'll backtrack and just give it one good whee. Got my scrub brush. This scrub brush. Hey. Some brake clean. So, yep, we're gonna keep on trucking here. We'll get it. All right, guys. Working on it. Getting there. Getting the scuzzies out. And still gotta do down there. But I want to do all this. I'll probably leave that dirty. So when I do this tube on this side, then I can clean the bottom, because obviously all that junk's gonna come right down here. If I get all this scrubbed up pretty well. The only thing is this is really some nasty stuff. Getting all my bristles all clogged up. All right, well, we'll keep on trucking here, guys. Well, it looks 100 times better. It's not perfect. I only got a ghetto brush, but a lot better.
Yeah.
So, that's looking a lot better. It's not 100% yet. And like I said, I gotta do down there, but I gotta do this tube. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Start getting ready to do that side. I'll grab that brush, maybe an extra can of brake clean, because stuff is thick and chunky and all right, well, we'll get started on this one.